great guide on how to make money in the stock market. Whether you are a novice or a long-time investor, it's always prudent to stay on top of the latest advances in the market. Knowing when to invest, where to put your money and how long to keep it there, isn't just a skill. It's acquired through experience, and we've written this video to provide you with information from experts, who can help you catch up. When things are on the decline in a clearly bear market, look for stocks that are undervalued. These would be stocks that have low prices, but are expected to grow higher in the short run. If a company is stable and promising with a cheap stock price, it could be a good investment. Do your research. Before buying any stocks, thoroughly research the company. Study its financial history and how the stocks have performed over the last 10 years. Earnings and sales should have increased by 10% over the prior year, and the company's debt should be less. If you have difficulty understanding the information, talk to a financial advisor or broker with a good track record in stock investing. When the stock market takes a dip, do not distress. Instead, look at the fall as an opportunity to purchase stocks at bargain prices. Many smart investors have made fortunes this way, because the market will inevitably rise again. Being able to see past the doom and gloom can be very profitable. Do not let the stock market scare you. Even if the swings of the markets and the turbulence reported on the news gives you pause, consider dividend stocks as a conservative safe haven. Their consistent yields are often better than bonds, and companies with a long history of paying out dividends are just as safe an investment as bonds. Avoid discount brokers. These brokers lie somewhere between the expertise and advice of full-service brokers and the low prices and fees of online brokers, but do not really offer the advantages of either. It is better to be at the ends of the spectrum to find true value for your time and money. Develop a plan, full of details, spelling out your specific trading strategies. It should outline your plan for when to buy new stocks and when you plan to sell what you have. It should also entail a precise budget which defines your investment limitations. You can make the correct choices when you do something like this with a clear head. If you want to know the formula for making money on the stock market, all you need to do is purchase less and at the same time sell high. This is how many people make a lot of money on the market, and it will work for you too. Now that you have read the expert tips in this piece, you are prepared to achieve real success. Take the time to build these ideas into your strategy so you can get big returns and protect your financial future. If you have the fortitude to put in the needed time and the effort, you can realize significant returns on your investments. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.